I date abantu abanamafazi and girlfriends each and every day mangiza kwakho I'll need money mangibuyele emuva.
So uyamtshela still ukuthi ngifuna malini?
Yeah,
Usually imalini
from 3K. Yeah, I do every month mangibuyele. And if uthi this month awunamali akumela ngibe less than 2,000. 2,000 mawungenamali azange athi uyangithanda lo muntu and nama ngimthandi so ngifuna imali and most yalabantu ababi abasnacks laba banemali. So
okay,
whether ngiyakuthanda or ngiyafuna or angifuni kuba nawe as long as ube nemali ekuseni mina.
Okay.
I don't care. Khona abanye abaza straight ukuthi no lalela nginemali so asambe yabo and then uya negotiate if incane.
Okay.
And then khona ozoza kuwakutshela ukuthi no lalela ngiyakuthanda bona nani ngicanga ukuthi mina nawe singaqala something nanana. Loyo ayazi ukuthi uyiscam.
Yeah.
Because ayikho into ukuthi ungahlanga nomuntu etshwaleni omthandi same time there's no way. So ufuna nje ukuscama lo ukuthi uhambe uyolala naye then kusasa kunike akubholithela uyendlini then done. You understand? So emuntwini onjalo uyamtshela ukuthi no angifuni mina relationship. Ngihamba nawe ngiyolala and ekseni ngizodinga imali engaka. Sathola abanye abafana siye shop. Umfana angishele ngithi mina yazi angikho nje emjolweni. Angifuni futhi kuba ku relationship yabo. Into ongangisiza nga if une connection nomsebenzi I will do anything ukuthi ngithole umsebenzi. Athi kim serious ngithi yeah. Athi yini ongayenza ngithi ngoba imali anginayo. But mangathola umsebenzi I will do anything. Nokulala nawe ngalala bese ngithola umsebenzi.